Hi guys, so I was recently at a camp meeting organized by Foundation and Worldwide Worship Center at the Global Retreat and Prayer Center in Weija. It was an awesome experience. Below, these are just a few clips of the environment and everything that we enjoyed over there. The facility was just beautiful. It was beautiful. Time in the presence of the Lord was great. I was massively blessed. This is just part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, which will be coming soon. Watch these clips and enjoy nature. Thank you. Okay, so this was the registration desk. Every camper participant was required to pass through this process. You come to the desk and register, ensure that your name is in the list so that you find where you are going to lodge. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.